How to clean an aquarium fish tank. Easy cleaning tips. In this article I will go over how to clean an aquarium fish tank. Maintaining a pristine aquarium fish tank is paramount for the well-being of your aquatic companions. Whether you're a novice or an experienced fish enthusiast, the cleanliness of your tank directly impacts the health of your aquatic friends. How to clean a fish tank for beginners. This is a step-by-step guide to cleaning a fish tank while prioritizing the well-being of your fish. Prepare your tools. First, gather the necessary tools: a fish net, a dedicated aquarium gravel vacuum, a clean bucket, a sponge or scraper, and a water conditioner. These tools should be clean and exclusively reserved for aquarium use. Turn off equipment. Start by turning off all tank equipment, including the filter and heater, ensuring the safety of both you and your fish. Fish and decorations. Gently use a fish net to transfer your fish to a separate container filled with tank water. This temporary arrangement keeps your fish safe during cleaning. Carefully remove decorations and place them in another container with tank water to preserve beneficial bacteria. Gravel vacuuming. Use an aquarium gravel vacuum to siphon out approximately 10 to 20% of the water, depending on your tank size. This partial water change is vital for maintaining water quality. While siphoning, gently run the vacuum over the substrate to remove debris and waste without disturbing the beneficial bacteria. Cleaning glass. If you have algae or mineral deposits on the glass, use a clean sponge or scraper to gently remove them, taking care not to scratch the glass. Water conditioning. Treat new water with a quality water conditioner to remove chlorine and chloramines. Add the treated water back to the tank slowly to avoid shocking your fish. Return your fish. After the tank is filled and the temperature stabilizes, transfer your fish back to their clean and refreshed habitat. These steps make it easy for beginners to maintain a clean and healthy aquarium for their fish, providing a comfortable and safe environment for their aquatic friends. How to clean a fish tank with vinegar. Utilizing vinegar to clean your fish tank is an eco-friendly and economical method for combating stubborn deposits and algae on glass and equipment. However, it's crucial to undertake this process carefully to ensure your fish's safety. Follow these steps for effective vinegar-based cleaning. Gather supplies. Assemble white vinegar, a soft cloth or sponge, and a small bucket. Prepare the solution. Create a cleaning solution by mixing equal parts white vinegar and water. Dilution is essential to prevent harm to your fish or tank materials. Turn off equipment. Before cleaning, power down all electrical equipment, including filters, heaters, and lights for safety. Remove decorations. Take out decorations from the tank and place them in a separate container to prevent contact with the vinegar solution. Apply the solution. Dip the cloth or sponge into the vinegar and water solution, gently scrubbing areas with algae or mineral deposits. Avoid excessive force to prevent glass scratching. Thorough rinse. After cleaning, thoroughly rinse the tank and decorations with clean water. Residual vinegar can harm fish if left behind. Monitor water quality. Post-cleaning, closely monitor water quality. Test parameters to ensure they align with your fish's requirements. Proper vinegar cleaning effectively maintains a clear, debris-free tank while minimizing risks to your fish's well-being. Avoid using vinegar on porous materials and maintain diligence in the cleaning process. Maintaining a clean and healthy aquarium fish tank is crucial for the well-being of your aquatic pets. This comprehensive guide has highlighted key steps for cleaning your tank without harming your fish. Click the link below the description to learn more.